Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excuse me, let me introduce myself. My name is Saifa Livariski. You can call me Saifa. My student ID number 21029043. I'm from Mathematics Education Department. I will explain about derivative. The derivative of f at point A with respect to x is the limit of change rate of f near point A. The derivative of a function f at A denoted by f accent A is f accent A equal lim f A plus h minus f A h menuju 0. If this limit exists, a function has a derivative at a point if and only if the function right hand and left hand derivative exist and are equal. In this case, we say the function is differentiable. There are much rules about derivative or rules of differentiation. 1. Factor rule. 2. Sum rule. 3. Product rule. 4. Question rule. 5. Chain rule or for composite function. And 6. Rule for trigonometry function. Exercise. Find the derivative of the function f(x) equal x squared minus 8x plus 9 at A using definition of derivative. Fx equal x squared minus 8x plus 9. F accent x equals to x minus 8. 2. If fx equal 3x minus 2x squared, find f accent x from definition and hence evaluate f accent 4. Fx equal 3x minus 2x squared. F accent x equals 3 minus 4x. F accent 4 equals 3 minus 4 multiplied 4 equals 3 minus 16 equals minus 13. How to say derivative? Fx, f prime x or f dash x, the first derivative of f with respect to x. F accent x or f double prime x or f double dash x, the second derivative of f with respect to x. F triple x, f triple prime x or f triple dash x, or the third derivative of f with respect to x. F 4x or f4 prime x, the fourth derivative of f with respect to x. df over dx, df dx, or the derivative of f with respect to x. d square f over dx, d square f dx squared, the second derivative of f with respect to x. dy over dx, dy dy partially by x or the first partial derivative of y with respect to x delta y by delta x. D squared y over dx squared. D squared y partially by x squared. The second partial derivative of y with respect to x delta to y by delta x squared. There are much rules about derivative. 1. Factor rule. 2. Sum rule. 3. Product rule. 4. Question rule. 5. Chain rule or for composite function. 6. Rule for trigonometry function. Maxima and minima. Find f action x and solve f action x equal 0. This value of x, say x is the stationary or extreme or critical point. Probably maxima or minima will occur at this point. Find fx if find f double prime x more than 0, then x is a local minima. If f double prime x less than 0, then x is a local maxima. We can say that x is a maximum or minimum point. If f double prime x equals 0, then x might be a point of inflection. Example, Michel wants to start a vegetable garden, which he decides to fence off in the shape of a rectangle from the rest of the garden. Michel only has 160 meters of fencing, so he decides to use a wall as one border of the vegetable garden. Calculate the width and length of the garden that correspond to large possible area that Michel can fence off. Answer. Step 1. Examine the problem and formulate the equations that are required. The important bits of information given are related to the area and modified perimeter of the garden. We know that the area of the garden is A equal A multiplied length, or equation 1. We are also told that the fence cover on the 3 sides and the 3 sides should add up to 116 meters. This can be written as 160 equal V plus L plus L. However, we can use the last equation to write width in the terms of length. Width equal 116 minus 2 length, or equation 2. Substitute equation 2 into equation 1 to get A 116 minus 2 length multiplied length equal 116 L minus 2L squared, or equation 3. Step 2. Differentiate signs. We are interested in maximizing the area. We differentiate equate 3 to get A action L equal 116 minus 4L. Step 3. Find the stationary point. To find the stationary point, we set action L equal 0 and solve for the value of L that maximizes the area. A action L equal 116 minus 4L 0 equal 116 minus 4L. 4L equal 116 L equal 14 meter. Substitute into equation to solve for the width. Width equals 116 minus 2 length equals 116 minus 2 multiplied 14 equals 116 minus 18 equals 18 meter. Step 4. Write the final answer. A width of 18 meter and a length of 14 meter will yield the maximal area fenced off. Exercise 1. The sum of two positive numbers is 20. One of the number is multiplied by the square of the other. Find the numbers that make this product a maximum. Answer: x plus y, x plus y equals 20 and y equals 20 minus x, and x multiplied y squared equals x multiplied 20 minus x squared. Fx equals x cubed minus 4x squared plus 400x for maximum. dy partially by x equals 0. dy partially of x equal 3x squared minus 18x plus 14. 0 equal 0. Using quadratic formula, x equals 20 or x equal 6 multiplied 67, y equals 0 or 1185 multiplied 18. Hence x equals 6 multiplied 67 and y equals 1185 multiplied 18 will make a maximum product result. 2. After doing some research, transport company has determined that the rate at which petrol is consumed by one of its large carriers, traveling at an average speed of x km per hour, is given by Px equals 55 over 2x plus x over 2000 liter per kilometer. 1. Assume that the petrol costs 4,000 per liter and the driver 18,000 per hour or traveling time. Now, deduce that the total cost C in rupiah for A 2,000 kilometer trip is given by Cx equals 2056 over x plus 14x. 2. Hence determine the average speed to be maintained or to effect a minimum cost for a 2,000 kilometer trip. Answer C8 equal 2056 over x plus 40x. C multiplied 2000 equal 2056 over 2000 plus 14 multiplied 2000 equal 128 plus 18,000 equals 18,128. V equals 18,128 over 2000 equals 14,064 kilometer over jam over horse. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.